everyone. So now we are going to start our next topic, which is bigger and smaller of class first. So now we are having a question in front of us, which is circle the mask that has a bigger number. What you need to do is, we are having two masks in front of us. Among those two masks, we just need to select the number which is larger. Okay, so like you can see that we are having two masks over here. Among these we are having in one mask we are having 4, and in another mask we are having 5. So just check it out, which one is the greater number, 4 or 5. So the greater number is your 5. So what we need to do is, we just need to circle the mask which is having larger number. Similarly, in this mask we are having two numbers, which is your 8 and 7. So what you need to do is just circle the mask which is having larger number, which is your 8. Now this is the another mask. We are having two numbers, 6 and 8, and among those two numbers which we are having 8, which is larger in quantity. So we are going to circle this mask. Similarly, in this mask we are having two numbers, which is your 9 and 2, and since 9 is your greater number, so we are going to circle that. Okay, so we will circle this mask. Now we are having tick the clothes with smaller number. What you should do now is, we are being provided with few boxes down these pictures. We just need to take the box which is having lesser or smaller number. Okay, like in this picture you can see that we are having two t-shirts on which it is written that it is 3 in number, and it is written that it is 1. So what you should do is, just check out which one is your smaller number among 3 and 1. Okay, so just we are going to take in this box which is having smaller numbers. So among these 3 and 1 is your smaller number, so we are going to take in this box. Okay, similarly when you are moving to this, we are having two numbers, 5 and 7, and among these two numbers, which one is your smaller number? That is your 5. So what we are going to do is, we will just put a tick in this given box. Similarly, we are having two numbers again, which is your 6 and 5. Among 6 and 5, your smaller number is 5. So what we are going to do is, we just put a tick in this box. Now similarly, we are again having two numbers, which are your 6 and 8, and among these two numbers, 6 is your smaller number. So we are going to tick in this box. Okay, now we are having, since we have learnt about the smaller one and the bigger one, and we know about the counting from 1 to 10, now what we are going to do is, we just need to write the sequence of the number, or we are just going to arrange them or the pictures in the sequence of their sizes. Like you can see that these kites have been arranged from the biggest to the smallest. As you can see from the picture of these kites, that this is your smallest one, after that we are having the second one, after that this one. You can see that this is the kite of largest size, so we have put it first. After that the second one, which is just smaller than that of this one, and in last we have kept a kite which is smaller than the rest two. Okay, so we are now just going to arrange the pictures according to their size or number. Following balls have been arranged from their biggest number to their smaller number. Now you can see that in three pictures we are just having balls. Okay, so now we are just going to arrange them according to their number. As you can see that in this box we are having 4 balls, in this box we are having 3 balls, and in this box we are having 2 balls. And as we know that when we just start counting, 2 comes first, after that we are having 3, and after that we are having 4. So this is your smallest one, after that 3, and after that 4. So among 4, 3 and 2, 4 is going to be the larger one. So it is already been done for you, that they have arranged 4 first, after that 3, and after that 2. So now we are going to move to our next exercise, which is exercise 1.4, and the first question of it is, count and write and then tick the groups in which the number of objects have been arranged from the biggest to the smallest. What you are going to do is, you just need to count and write. Just count down the number of objects in that group, and then tick the group in which the numbers of objects have been arranged biggest to smallest. You can see that these are few circles in front of each box. So what we are going to do is, we will just count these objects, and we will write the number of the objects in this circles. Okay, after that we have been provided with few rectangular boxes also. In that box, if the pictures are being arranged in the sequence from biggest to smallest, then we are going to just put a tick in these boxes. Okay, so first of all, just start counting the pictures. Like you can see that in this we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 pictures. So I am just going to write 9 in the circle. After that I am having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I am just going to write 6 in this box. And similarly here we are having 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I am going to write 4 in this circle. Okay, so now I am done with the counting of the objects. So just compare and just look at this, that we were having 9 over here, after that we are having 6 and after that we are having 4. As you can see that these pictures are being arranged in a proper sequence from bigger to smallest. So yes, they are arranged in biggest to the smallest sequence. So we are just going to put a tick in this rectangular box. Similarly, just move to the another question. We are having, just count down the number of stars in this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So write down 6 in this circle. After that we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write down 5. After that we are having 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we are going to write 4. Now just check whether they are arranged in a proper sequence or not. This here we are having 6 stars, after that we are having 5 stars, after that we are having 4 stars. And as we know that when we start our counting, we know that first of all we are having 4, after that 5 and after that 6. So yes, these are being arranged in a proper sequence from biggest to smallest. So we are just going to put a tick in this box. Similarly, here we are having 2, after that we are having 3 and after that we are having 4. 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so now since we have counted it, but in this question they are asking you to check whether the given numbers are arranged in biggest to smallest sequence. Yes, they are arranged in a sequence but in a reverse sequence. As you can see that this is the smallest one, after that we are having 3 and after that we are having 4, which is the largest one. It is in the sequence from smallest to biggest, but we were asking for arranging them in a sequence from largest to smallest. So we just need to put a cross, or you can leave this box. Now we are going to arrange the objects according to their size or their number on the basis of smallest to biggest. Earlier we were doing biggest to smallest. Now we are going to put or arrange those objects in the sequence of smallest to biggest. As you can see that we are having this chick which is very small in size. After that we are having a hen, and again we are having a hen, and the size of these are increasing. So this is from biggest to smallest. Okay. Now on the basis of the number of the objects, you can see that here we are having 3 crayons and here we are having 4 crayons. Here you are having 5 crayons. As you can see that 3 is the smallest among these 3 numbers. After that we are having 4 and at last we are having 5, which is your largest one. So these pictures are being arranged in a form of smallest to biggest. Okay. So now we are having our next exercise, which is based upon, we just need to do the same thing which we have done in exercise 1.4, but now what we are going to do is we just need to arrange the object in the sequence of smallest to biggest. Count and write and then tick. Count and write, the same thing, and tick the groups in which the numbers of objects have been arranged from smallest to biggest. First of all, just count the numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4. So write down 4 here. After that we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So write down 7. After that we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. This is 4 in number, this is your 7 in number, and this is 5 in number. As you can see, first of all, they are not arranged in a proper sequence. Since we are having 4 pictures, after that we are having 7 pictures, after that we are having 5 pictures. Okay. So we are just going to put a cross, or you can leave the box. Now just move to the second part, in which we are having few stars, just starting counting the stars. So we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Write down 7 in the circle. After that we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Just write down 8. After that we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So just write down 10 over here. Here we were having 7 stars, here we are having 8 stars, and here we are having 10 stars. As you can see, now the number of star is being arranged in the format of smallest to biggest. Here we were having 7, here we were having 8, and here we are having 10. So just put a tick in this box.